Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the oligopoly and its features. Oligopoly refers to a market situation in which there are few firms selling homogeneous or differentiated products. Oligopoly is sometimes also known as a competition among the few, as there are few sellers in the market and every seller influenced and is influenced by the behavior of other firms. The term oligopoly is derived from the Greek word "oligi" means few and "polein" means to sell. The oligopoly is a market structure in which there are only a few sellers but more than two of the homogeneous or differentiated product. So oligopoly lies in between monopolistic competition and monopoly. Now we discuss about the features of oligopoly. Few firms. Number one, under oligopoly, there are few large firms. The exact number of firms is not defined. Each firm produces a significant portion of the total output. There exists severe competition among different firms, and each firm tries to manipulate both prices and volume of production. And number two, non-price competition. Under oligopoly, firms are in a position to influence the prices. However, they try to avoid price competition for the fear of price war. They follow the policy of price rigidity. Price rigidity refers to a situation in which price tends to stay fixed irrespective of changes in demand and supply conditions. Firms use other methods like advertising, better service to customers, etc., to compete with each other. If a firm tries to reduce the price, the rivals will also react by reducing their prices. However, if it tries to raise the price, other firms might not do so. It will lead to loss. Next is the interdependence. Firms under oligopoly are interdependent. Interdependence means that action of one firm affects the action of one firm affects the action of other firms. A firm considers the action and reactions of the rival firms. Consumers are considers the action and reactions of the rival firm while determining the price and output levels. A change in output or price by one firm evokes reactions from other firms operating in the market. For example, market for cars in India is dominated by few firms: Maruti, Tata, Hyundai, Ford, Honda, etc. A change by any one firm, say Tata, in any of its vehicle, say Indica, will induce other firms, say Maruti, Hyundai, etc., to make changes in their respective vehicles. Non-price competition. Under the duopoly, firms are in a non-price competition. Competition is based on the quality, quantity, design, and advertisement based. Now, okay, girls.